What's up, guys? We're installing the multi dash cams here at the hospital for all these company vehicles. Okay, keep you posted on how the installation looks. Anybody that has these type of cameras, the Motiv, give us a call, and we do come out. We do have mobile service, so you don't have to disturb your fleet from your wherever you have it parked, and we can do all the installations for you here in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead. Okay, guys, this is the way the multi camera comes out. I have to put it a little lower, that way you can see the driver, because if you go higher, it's gonna view the back of this mirror. This one has front and then the cabinet. No wire showing. Okay. All right. Anybody in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, Boca, give us a call. If you have a fleet that you got these cameras for your fleet, not a problem. We come out and do the installation. Again, the numbers is 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.